Good morning, back at Turkey Creek. Another beautiful day here in Florida. Let's see what we come across here today. To an area they call the tree house. Maybe because of this big tree right here and this little area right here. We got an eastern Indio snake, non-venomous. This interesting nature center here. Look at this. Wow. Ah, we got a snake here looking at you. I'd like to have this guy. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. Turtle buried in here. Let's see if I can do a close-up on him. He's looking at me. See if we can see him in there.